I do not interrupt. I don't judge. I listen and engage in talking. I do not avoid difficult questions, but I do not ask those uncomfortable. My Conversations is a comeback to the golden age of journalism based on a thorough reading of all topics related to the interlocutor, by listening to his speech and conducting a meritorical conversation accessible to the listener and pleasant to my interlocutors. I want my conversations to be of a value. I allow my viewers to learn from the experience and knowledge of my guests. I break with the aggressive journalism created in search of cheap sensations. In the studio, our guests leave behind the noise of the big city. They descend from their pedestal only for a moment to enrich my viewers, to enrich you. No spotlights, no flashes, no crowds. At the end of our meeting, following the past journalistic practices from the last century, I take a picture with each of the guests. The photograph is taken with an analog camera, and it is not being photoshopped. The authenticity is the most important value.